Okay, since you stand for equality, I see that in your hobbies you've written cooking as your hobby. Don't you think, Prashant, for you cooking is a hobby, but for most of the women in our country, cooking is a responsibility.
I truly agree, ma'am, and that is the unfortunate case.
So, don't you think that women in our country don't have this luxury to make cooking their hobby?
I think it is one of the unfortunate results of
What
patriarchy in the
what
world.
you would you do as an individual to change this scenario?
I would start with my home and that is what I have learned while growing up, that no responsibility in the family should be just be associated with certain member of the family. And while I'll try to reform my friends and family by telling them how it is, it shouldn't be seen that cooking is something which is feminine or something like that, or a responsibility of the women of the family. So that is something which I'll start from the family. Then, depending upon what kind of resources I have, I will take steps for uh, breaking this image of
Okay.
cooking.